G front load washer. Troubleshooting maintenance tips. Maintaining your GE front load washer can extend its lifespan and ensure it runs efficiently. Regular maintenance can prevent common issues and keep your washer in top condition. Follow these maintenance tips to keep your appliance working perfectly. Regular cleaning. Cleaning your washer regularly can prevent odor and mold buildup. It ensures your clothes come out fresh every time. Wipe the door seal with a damp cloth after each use. Leave the door open to allow the drum to dry. Run a cleaning cycle with a washer cleaner once a month. Remove and clean the detergent dispenser regularly. These steps help maintain the cleanliness of your washer and prevent unpleasant smells. Inspecting hoses regularly. Inspect the hoses to prevent leaks and water damage. This simple check can save you from major issues. Check hoses every 6 months for cracks or wear. Tighten any loose connections. Replace hoses every 5 years. Ensure the hoses are free from kinks and bends. This promotes smooth water flow and efficient washing cycles.